Dakota Dodge with the lost key. What we're gonna use is the reader, and we're gonna use it on the door lock and see if we can get a key code with some biddings. So what you want to do, make sure that the arm is completely in the middle, away from catching anything. And what I like to do is make a grid, and then 8. And the good thing about the CY24 reader is that you don't have to flip it. So right where that arm lays, without pushing too much, is where that bidding is. So 2 is 3. I go evens first. 4 is 4. And 6 looks to be 3. And 8 had a little bit of tough to go down, but once you feel the spring stop, looks like it's gonna be 3. And then the odds. So the odds should just lay. There's no spring to it, but they just lay, and you're reading it on this side. Evens here, odds here. So looks like 3 is 3. Then 5 rest on 2. And 7 rest on 2. Alright, and then we go to the machine. Okay. So I select CY24, and it is an 8 bidding. And then all you do is put in the numbers you got from the reader. So you skip 1, question mark, 2 is 3, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 2, 6 is 3, 7 is 2, and 8 is 3. And then we hit find bidding. It's a Dodge, and looks like we only have 1 key code. Alright, and then we can go ahead and cut that key. So here's the key we got with the key code. Works on the door, unlocks and locks. And then the ignition, smooth. Alright, perfect. Works on the ignition.